Visual language skills are put to work in this lesson plan. Students will first analyze the elements of art used in a chosen painting, taking notes in a sketchbook. Then, this visual data will be transferred to a transformable cube. The cube can be flipped and folded in different directions to reveal 10 different external faces, creating the perfect substrate to explore each facet of the 10 building blocks of art. Creating an infinity cube requires following each step precisely, much like in the art of origami. Start by laying 2 cubes next to each other. It's helpful to use a piece of cardstock as a spacer. This gives the perfect spacing for the hinge. Flip 1 cube on top of the other and tape on the other side of where the first hinge was made. Repeat these steps, making a total of 4 sets of double cubes. Arrange the cubes flat on a table into one large horizontal rectangle. Place the 2 outer cube sets vertically and with the tape facing down. Place the inner 2 sets horizontally and with the tape facing outward to the long side of the rectangle. Working clockwise, attach the left cube to the cube to its right. Move to the next cube in the line and attach it to the cube on the outermost right-hand side. Repeat on the bottom row. Fold the cubes on the left side up, over, and on top of the cubes to their right. Apply tape vertically to the side. Fold the rightmost cubes up and over in the same way and attach with tape vertically. Fold the cube until you find the space where there are 4 pieces of tape applied horizontally. This will be the first face of the cube that can be covered. I have some designs here already cut out. I used the cube as a template to make sure they were properly sized. And I did cut it out, leaving a margin. This allows me to trim the edge after gluing, allowing for a tighter fit. I'm using Yes Paste to attach the images because it's a super strong multi-surface adhesive that lays completely flat when dry. Use a brush to apply. Make sure to get all the way to the edges of each individual block. I like to make small registration marks on the image where the cubes are not attached with tape, so I don't forget where to cut the paper apart. And these can always be erased later. Smooth the paper down, fold the edges, use scissors to trim the excess away. Now, this could be cut to size before gluing down. This allows for the best coverage and ensures that the image fits the cubes perfectly. Use an X-Acto knife to carefully cut a slit where the registration marks were made. These could be cut with scissors to size before gluing down to the cube, but this ensures a very tight fit with little spacing or gaps. Turn the cube to find the second rectangular space. It will look like this. There will be a vertical hinge on the right and left side and 4 open cubes in the middle. While the cube can be transformed in other ways to make the second large rectangle, using specifically these 2 rectangles ensures that the infinity cube will function and read properly when all 10 images are added. Continue adding images until all sides of the cube are covered. For a detailed list of instructions and visual step-by-step process guide to an infinity cube, scan the QR code or visit dickblick.com. While you're there, be sure to check out our library filled with hundreds of free lesson plans.